Okay. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. Anyway, so I've been looking up quite recently, and I've been noticing that they don't have a lot of shmejis. They don't have a lot of ways to download shmejis easily. So go ahead and go to Yahoo or Google or whatever you use, and go ahead and hit shimeji browser extension. Anything else will not work, so you're gonna have to hit browser extension, and then hit the first one, shimeji browser extension XYZ. Hit install now, add extension, and now it's been downloaded. And if you don't know what shimeji is, it's these cute little characters that you can drag around, and they go all across your screen. If you double click it, they can clone themselves, and they all have a certain way of cloning themselves. And then you can hit dismiss and they'll go away. They can steal objects off of your screen like this guy. And off he goes. And then you can't get that guy back unless you download onto a different one. And then you can make them creep left. They can jump onto things. And they'll be on that part. And it's really cool because they help you like select which place you want them to go to. And we can climb up quickly or slowly. I'll do fast. And they do go up it rather fast. And then you can climb up slowly or down. They're already climbing down. I hit the wrong thing, and then again you can do dismiss and then delete. Yeah. So go ahead and hit shimeji directory. And then you can go to whatever you like to. They have Adventure Time, Islands in the Country of Hearts, Assassin's Creed, Attack on Titan, The Avengers, Blobs, Sherlock, Bendy and the Ink Machine, The Beatles, Bioshock, Black Butler, Bleach, BTS, Creepypasta, Dragon of Therapy, I don't actually know how to pronounce that, Death Note, Diamond, Disney movies, oh, I ship it, Dura Dura, okay, Dura Ra Ra, yeah, Ed's World, Fairy Tale, Five Nights at Freddy's, Gravity Falls, Group Infinity. There's so many of them. So much of them. Sorry. Wait, I don't know grammar, okay? Oh, they hit Yuri on Ice, and there's Victor. And then, oh, they have Deadpool, Voltron. Oh, they have Vocaloids, like, Hatsune Miku's, all of the Sanses, and the other Undertale characters. We have Tokyo Ghoul, SpongeBob, Keith, Sonic, Rick and Morty, Plasheen, Pokemon, a lot of Pokemon. People, oh my gosh. They have Link, Reddit, PewDiePie, Phil, Dan, Markiplier, and Jacksepticeye. One Punch Man, One Piece, Night in the Woods, Naruto, My Chemical Romance, Miraculous, Mega Man, Mario. But it's really cool, and then all you have to do whenever you want that certain one, find the certain one that you want, hit get it. We already did install it, and it's right up here. So then go to a different one. Character. It really just brings me to here. Now I'm going to figure this part out with you because I kind of forgot. Yeah, activate. Whenever you find a certain character that you want, go ahead and hit activate. And there comes Victor. Whee! Look at that graceful fall. Let's see his new combo action. Isn't he just adorable? Obviously, my favorite one is we'll do things at random. They can just roll around on your screen, and it's really cute. Again, to bring them to your tab, all you have to do is hit the little icon, and it's like a little mushroom, and then hit Victor. It should be working. Let me see here. Victor's a new character, so he might not work as well as the others. But sometimes it's really cool because you get to pick out whatever character you like. Hit the mix. And then if you want to switch out your character, go ahead what I did. And hit this. Shimeji directory. And then pick out whatever you want. Okay, shortly. Place. And then they have other certain character traits. Like, since he flies, then he will not touch the ground. And it's really cool. So, now let's try this again. Okay, well I made this thing to where I can hear myself actually talking, and it's kind of weird because it echoes, and it's kind of creeping me out, so I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I don't know. Yes. So it should be working for you guys. There's nothing wrong with my computer. It has been for quite a while. But that's it. That's all you have to do to download your shimeji. And again, make sure you hit Shimeji browser extension. And then, how you know you hit the right one, it will have this cute little mushroom. Oh no! It will have a cute little mushroomed guy, and it's that character right there. Now, if you check my other videos, I might be drawing him soon, because he is so cute. Just take a picture of him so I can have an image for later, so I don't have to look all this up again. That would be so annoying. But anyway, guys, that's all with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, I don't have a way to open this because I'm not a pro, and this is like one of my first few videos. So all I do is just cheat my way out of this, I guess. I guess you could call it that. Yeah, who knows? All I do is this. There is something kind of wrong with my computer, as I said before. So, I really don't know. That's just something I've tried to do from all the other videos, which didn't really work at all. I don't really know why, but that's besides the point. Anyway, I am going to try to figure out how to work my intro. Let's try this. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to check out my channel. Don't forget to check out my sister channel, Death Out of Future 1. And don't forget to check out the team channel, Death Team 11. I'm the only one who actually has anything on my channel, so I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this video. Smash like, different like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!